afternoon, world. It's Jordan Ross of Ross International coming to you live from beautiful Florida. Listen, I wanted to cut a video for you guys because I haven't done one in a while. Well, a full-length video. I've been really concentrating on exposing this opportunity to as many people as possible. But I haven't forgot about you guys, so I wanted to cut this just for you. With that being said, I wanted to drop a few nuggets on everyone out there. As far as you know, or a lot of you may know, some of you may not know, I'm actually involved in the network marketing, direct sales industry. I've been involved with the industry for a few years now, and the journey has been incredible. It's been amazing. I've met amazing people. I've developed some really long-lasting and lifelong relationships with people. That's very important to me. You know, anytime in business, you know, you want to develop the type of relationship with someone to where they're so comfortable that when you're around each other, you can just be very open with each other. You can be yourself. You know, that's very important in business. And through this industry, I've learned that, and I've gotten to meet some of the most amazing people that this world has ever seen. You know, and a lot of you are actually missing out on your blessings because you're not taking you're not taking this industry and you're not taking the information that people are presenting to you serious. You know, so with that being said, I want to let you guys know there's a story. I'm sure a lot of you have heard it before, but it's something that was shared with me when I first got started in the industry and when I was really skeptical about the truth of it and how believable the income potential was. So I want to share with you guys, okay? The story goes like this. There's a guy. He was in a town that flooded very often, okay? So one day there's a flash flood. There's a flash flood. There's a news flash. Everybody's like, everybody needs to evacuate. Everybody needs to get out. Everybody needs to go, okay? This guy, he was a very spiritual guy, okay? So before the flood actually came, he prayed. He said, God, listen, I'm not going to go anywhere because I believe in you. I have faith in you, okay? If you're going to get me out of this situation, get me out of here now. I'm going to wait on you, God. I've done everything I need to do. I'm a great person. I don't sin much like most people. I can't say he was out sin because no one's out sin. But anyways, but yeah, just come save me. Come help me out. So, boom, 30 minutes later, whew, 10 feet of water. This is a flash flood. This is a serious flash flood, ladies and gentlemen. 10 feet of water, okay? The guy, he started thinking, well, dang, 10 feet of water, I need to climb on my house. So he got up on his roof, and he sat there, and he waited. 30 minutes came by. Now he's up to about 12 feet of water. Water's up to his ankles on his house. Okay? He's on top of his roof. Keep in mind. A boat comes by. They say, hey, man, listen. You need to get out of here. You need to get out of here. There's no telling when this flood is going to stop. You need to get out. Get out. The guy on top of his house with water up to his ankles smiled at the people in the boat, and he said, it's okay. Don't worry about it. God got me. God's going to save me. So they said, okay, man. Suit yourself. And they left, right? So an hour passed. The guy's still sitting there on the top of his roof. You know, now the water's it's up past his waist. Okay, so now another boat comes an hour later. They say, hey, man, listen, this is the last boat out of here. This is the last boat. You need to jump on this boat right now or you will die. Because no one else is coming through this area, man. We've swept the area. You're the only one left. Get on this boat, save yourself, and let's go. The man sitting on top of the roof, he smiled. He said, hey, man, don't worry about it. God has me. God is going to come save me. Don't worry about it. Go on ahead. I'll catch up to you guys later. Guy in the boat said, okay, suit yourself. And he left. An hour later, water now up past this guy's mouth. Okay, so water is up here on him. Okay, this guy has to stick his chin up just to breathe. Okay, an hour later, a helicopter comes by. And from the helicopter, they say, hey, man, listen, you need to get on this helicopter. We're just doing a final sweep of the area, and we need to make sure everyone's out of here. Everyone has been evacuated, but you. You need to get on this helicopter right now, or you will die. The guy, he smiled. He looked up at the people in the helicopter. He smiled at them. He said, don't worry about it. God got me. God is going to save me. Long story short, the guy died. He died. And when he got to heaven and he was in front of God, he asked God. He said, God, I prayed to you. I did everything you told me to do. I was a good person. I helped people. Helped everyone I could and helped as much as I could. Why did you allow me to die? I thought you were going to come save me. God looked at him. He paused for a second. Then he smiled at him. He said, "Stupid, I sent you 2 boats and a helicopter." Long story short, guys, don't let your blessings leave you. Because you're not guaranteed for it to come back. The guy and the gentleman in the story, he had 3 tries. Most of us have only have one. We only have one try. We only have that one way out. So don't let other people or falsities in your mind stop you from receiving your blessing. 99% of your time, of the time, your blessings are not going to come the way that you see them. So you always have to be alert and aware of your surroundings. With that being said, guys, I don't want to make this video too long because I do have things to do. But if you have some interest in what I just said, if what I just said makes any sense at all to you, and you want to reach out to me, share your story with me, or you just want to know what the heck is going on with this opportunity, because this opportunity is crazy. It's changing lives all over America, all over the world. It's actually international now, which is a huge plus. Just get in contact with me. I talk to anyone about anything at any time. That's just the type of person I am. I like talking to people. This industry has really taught me that you never know who you're going to meet. You never know what you can learn from someone else. So definitely get in contact with me. You will see my contact information below this video. And I look forward to seeing you guys very soon, hearing from you very soon. Definitely, if you like this, share it. It could be help to someone. It may speak to someone. Share it with your team. Share it with your other business partners or whatever. Share it with your prospects. Whatever you want to do, use it to your advantage. That being said, I love you guys. God bless. This is Ross International signing out, and I will see you guys at the top. God bless you. Good night.